we would like to show you how to paint this adorable bag. Again, very easy. We're using dots, and then I'll show you how to do these beautiful, beautiful pine trees. We can work with any of those brushes. Right now, I'm going to use the smaller one. Design is very simple. Where you can locate your pine tree really doesn't matter. I'll start with smaller, longer, 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 longer. Paint. Then I'm going to do small one, longer, 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 longer. And maybe add a little bit more acrylic. Paint. And then continue in different locations. As I mentioned before, don't worry about any imperfections at all. I finished up all my trees. They could be the same size or different sizes. And now I want to do our beautiful polka dots with the back of the same brush.